Guys, it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, so I'm gonna grill. Mid 70s, no, actually mid 60s. Beautiful clear skies. Clean the yard a little bit. I'm going to use some pecan wood to make some carne asada. Making some ribeyes, some fajitas, and some sausage. So stay tuned. I'm going to light up the fire right now. I got a little bit of paper towel. Very rustic when it comes to this. So see you back in a second. All right, so I started the fire. We're gonna be here a while, so it's a nice day. So I decided to take out the grill. I use firewood. I use to grill. I don't use charcoal. I don't use briquettes. I prefer the taste of nice steak on firewood. It's pecan firewood. It's good for smoking. It's good for open grilling. I use it for grilling. It takes me a little longer, but great taste. All right, guys, we'll be back in a second when this is like already going. All right, guys, the firewood's going. It's still a long way. It's still a long way to go, but I'm gonna start seasoning the steaks. Got some fajitas from Kroger's. Good price. What was the price? $7.99 a pound. Yep, can't beat that. Some fajitas, some Northern Ryan, all natural beef. Some ribeyes from Joby's. They got nice marbling. Don't sleep on Joby's. Look, they got nice marbling, and $7.47 a pound. And some ribeyes, some thin sliced ribeyes for my wife that likes it a little thinner. I'm gonna make a salsa with all those ingredients. These onions are a little like over like I'm gonna chop the top because they're a little old. We just use them to snack on when we're eating fajitas. And I'm gonna season them with this is the fajitas with the fajita seasoning, the Fiesta. And the others, I'm gonna do it two different types. The other ones I'm gonna use just sea salt. You'll see. All right, guys. See you in a second. First, make sure our knives are sharp. So I'm gonna sharpen my knife a little bit. I got this at Burlington. Right now we're boycotting Burlington for reasons. So, but I got it a while ago. So just make sure the knife's sharp. The reason I put a piece of napkin on the bottom is because the residual metals. So we're gonna go with a fine little bit. And this is what I mean when I say the residuals. Watch. The knife's sharp, and this is the residuals that I was talking about that fall off. I have a hole. I have my wife doing the camera work. Something fell, but she's great. Anyways, this is what I mean. It's nice and sharp. So now we're gonna start with the easy stuff. We're gonna season our ribeyes. You guys can see they have a nice marbling, and these were only $7.47 a pound. They're supposed to be select, but they seem like choice. So they look very good. They look nice. So I'm just going to use sea salt for this ones. Just a little bit of sea salt, both sides. That's it, don't need anything else. Just salt. Oh, where's the knife? I've seen people do it. There you go. I've seen people do it on YouTube all the time, so I tried to do that too. Oh, that's fine. I'll clean it a little. So we flip the steaks. And these are pretty much done. A little bit. So we set them aside. And these are done. I'm gonna season now the ribeyes, the other ones, the thin sliced ribeyes. But I'm gonna let me get the knife. We're going to season the other ribeyes a little bit different. We're gonna season the Mexican style. Fajita seasoning. On both sides. You guys see these are very thin. So we season this ribeye is really nice. We might have gone a little bit over. Shake it off. Shake off the excess. And now we hit them with a little bit of lime. Both sides. Alright. This is a low table, so I really can't get up. If I get up, I'll be having issues with not that I'm lazy. I'm also lazy. Alright guys. Be right back for the fajitas. This is gonna be good. Mexican style, the way I like these two. This is a different way. So first thing first, how are we gonna cut them? We're gonna slice them and cut them in half. Like this, and we fillet. So this is how they come out. Thin. I can actually get another one out of here. Let me see. Now I'm just gonna do these two pieces like that. So now I'm gonna show you how to season this, and I'll do the rest afterwards. So just hit them with the fajita seasoning. Shake out the excess so it don't come out too salty. A little bit of fajita seasoning, and then hit them with the lime.
Yep.
And then that's it. Just do the rest of the fajita like this, and be right back. I'm going to cook these. I'm gonna season this just with salt. I'm not gonna take any of the fat. I'm not gonna take it. I'm not gonna trim anything. Just sea salt. You guys are gonna see how these are gonna come out. They're gonna come out really good. Give it a better shake. It looks like a lot of salt, but this is a very thick piece of meat. So believe me, it's gonna come out good. All right, so this is it. Just leave it like this, and no lemon, no lime, nothing. Just gonna throw it in with sea salt. The grill is already going. Still need a little more time, but an hour left, and we'll be ready to go. All right, guys. So the wood is almost ready. But it's good enough to throw the ingredients that I'm gonna use for the salsa. So this is what I'm gonna use. Okay, guys, so the salsa, the peppers for the salsa, and the tomatoes and the onions and the garlic are ready. This is actually how I like it. It's gonna be a charred salsa. So y'all see. Stick around. All right, guys. So I'm throwing everything in the grill now. I threw in the steak, the fajita. Now the ribeyes. Come back in a second when they're ready. All right, so I'm almost done. Here's the ribeye. The fajitas, the thin ribeyes, and the big fajita piece. I haven't flipped yet because I gotta wait till it starts sweating up here. So check this out. Yeah. Everything's coming out really great. Just gotta make the salsa, some quesadillas, and we're done. The thin sliced fajita. Let me just show you guys how it looks. And I'll do the thick ones when they're ready. The thick ones when they're ready. And the fajitas, the big piece of fajita. This is just one flip. Took me like 30 minutes to flip it, and this is how it's looking. These are the thin sliced ribeyes. Then quesadillas. Got some quesadillas going. About to make the salsa. All right, see ya. Guys, we're about to make the salsa. We got the garlic and the peppers first. The serrano. And the sea salt. So we add more jalapenos. And then we'll finish with tomatoes. Alright guys, so this is the salsa. It's pretty simple, but it's really good. Check it out. Alright guys, we're about done. I'm just gonna slice some of these. I'm gonna cut this one for you so you guys can see how it looks. See you guys later. Ribeye taco, carne asada, Mexican style. Take the cap. I'm actually gonna make it off of the cap. Okay. All right. So now we do a little bit of salsa like this. Scoop it with
Uy, papi. Uy.
with the lime. And we're done. Alright guys, see you on the next video. This is good.